beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So we're in a different part of my house because I thought that from here you guys could see the whole body, because you're always asking if I can film somewhere where I can show you my whole body so you can see how the piece looks. So I hope that this helps, just because this is like a longer, where kind of you're in my hallway and then this is my dining room. So anyway, I hope this works better. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you may have heard about the fact that YouTube or someone is kind of cracking down, and like I feel personally attacked by YouTube. So if you didn't hear, basically all of my try-on hauls have been flagged, and it's literally about 20 videos, which is like all of my try-on hauls, because I started doing them in 2016 more frequently, and pretty much all of them, with a few being exempt, have been flagged. So I either have no ads on them or they are age restricted, and those are my money making videos. I don't do YouTube solely for money making, but being an Instagram blogger, model, YouTuber, I work for myself. I do this full time, so I do make a living off of my channels, Instagram, YouTube, everything. And so I do these videos because I love it. I love interacting with you guys. I love being a positive role model. And not that I'm putting that word on myself, just using that as kind of an all-encompassing word, but I love what I do. I love hearing your guys' story, how I influence you, how I positively like make you see your body. And I'm trying to find the words, but you know what I'm saying, like reading your comments, saying how much I inspire you and how much confidence I've given you guys. It's everything to me. So being flagged and not allowing my videos to get the love they deserve, and also me not being able to make money off of the work of the content I'm creating, is really heartbreaking. And it would mean a lot to me if you guys could flood YouTube's comments on Instagram, tweet them, write them on their own YouTube page, write to them, however you can get your word out to them if you love my content and you don't want me to stop making videos, because I am literally this close to doing try-on hauls only on Patreon. Also, I'm not wearing my ring just because I wasn't wearing it this morning, not for any other reason, just to clear that up. So I don't want to have to do that. I don't want to have to charge people to watch my content. But even if it was just like 50 cents, it would mean a lot to me for people to pay that 50 cents or pay that $1 to watch my videos, because here I'm literally losing money. And it's really, really difficult when brands want to work with you, but you can't promise them that your content is going to be quality content, that their items are going to be shown completely, because you might have to be covered up. Like, that's why I'm wearing a sweater right now. It's literally summer, and I'm like, this is the only way I can prevent myself from being blocked. So in this video, I'm going to still try on the items, but I'm really going to be covered up as much as possible. And if I feel like an item is showing too much, then I won't show how it looks on. And this might be how things has to be from now on. I might even do regular hauls here where I show you the pieces and then try them on Patreon, and those will be videos that will have to be paid for to be viewed. And it really sucks that it's gonna go in this direction, because that hurts me as well, because I know there's a lot of people who want to watch my videos but they don't want to pay for them, right? So I understand that there's some people whose content you're like, girl, I could go watch somebody else's try-on haul. I understand that. But for some people, I know that my body shape or how I show clothes or how I talk about clothing is really how they gauge what brands work for them, what size they should buy, and all that kind of stuff. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'm just letting you guys know right now, and I'm really heartbroken because this happened to me before with a few videos, and I was kind of thinking about it, and I started a Patreon, but then I just stopped, and I was like, I can't do this, I can't do this. But now that they flagged literally how many of my videos are being age restricted or no ads, and those are the videos that make my most money. And so it's just really heartbreaking. So that's just what I wanted to say before we get into it. But yeah, on a positive note, today's video is a Forever 21 haul. I was looking through my closet because I cleaned out my closet a few weeks ago, and I actually filmed it, and I haven't even gotten down to editing it yet. But I basically took all of my non-summer spring clothes and put them in storage so that my closet only showed what I will be wearing for the next few months. And it kind of opened my eyes to the fact that I don't have many summer clothes at all. So I was like, I need to go and buy me some like new blouses, some new summery tops and things like that. So I put in an order for Forever 21. Forever 21 package just came. I didn't try anything on yet. I didn't even open it yet. I just opened the box. And so everything will be first time showing it. If it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. So let's see what happens. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this first top is one of those annoying wrap tops. I wish I would have known. I also put a bandeau top. It's not on, I just stuffed it because all of this is like my undergarment showing, and obviously we can't have that. So I mean, it's cute. I love the trumpet sleeves. It has this really cute like little peplum kind of design, and it's comfortable like in the arms. It's really loose. I have space, but I would have to wear like a white tank top or something underneath, or a white bandeau top like I'm wearing now, because it's very open. It's cute, but I hate those tops that have the hole on the side and then you have to like run the tie through it. It's a lot of work to put this on. It has no stretch, so I know when I sit I'm gonna feel that. But I mean, it's a cute top with like some high-waisted pants, like something like these, for like a brunch look or a casual look. It is comfortable. I feel like if I am wearing a little white under top, I could definitely wear this somewhere. So now that I'm wearing it a little bit more for a little longer, I'm kind of feeling it. I think I'm gonna keep this, and I'll leave the price here for you guys as well. And of course, all the products will be linked down below if they still are in stock. And I believe I got a 3X. So this next piece I picked up is a see-through button down with this pretty floral print and trumpet sleeves, and it has a ruffle peplum kind of look to it, and it does have a full collar like a button down, but it's see-through, so you would need to wear something underneath it. So I'm not going to try it on just because it's see-through. I don't need that drama, but it's really pretty. I love the print, and I felt like it had like this really kind of old school Spaniard, Hispanic, Latina kind of vibe to it. And I don't know, I felt like maybe open with something underneath tied around the waist with some red lipstick, it would give me like a really cute Spaniard summer vibe. We will see if I can find a way to style it. But yeah, next top is another one of those really easy summer tops. I love this design here. Again, you would need a strapless undergarment or a bandeau top. I love the ruffles, and it's also really long. As you can see, it comes down really far. It comes all the way to under my hip. So this is one of those easy tops to throw on with jeans, call it a day for brunch, throw on a hat, and you have an instant outfit that looks chic, ready to go with your little Gucci purse, or you can like tuck it into your jeans with a Gucci belt or whatever belt you have, just giving you like those, you know, Instagram outfit inspo ideas. So yeah, that's why I really love these tops, because I love throwing on a pair of jeans, a hat, or a cute purse, big hoop earrings, and you have an instant summer look, and you're still comfortable because it's a flowy top. So really like this. It doesn't have any stretch, but it runs very true to size. I got a 3X, and it fits really big, so definitely a lot of space and comfort. Next top is really cute. I loved it the moment I saw it. My only concern is that because it's so loose here, it does give the illusion that you're a little bit bigger. So I feel like for me, if I would wear these with jeans and maybe like tuck it in right in the front, or even with whatever pants I'm wearing, just tuck it and then let it flow in the back. I love that feeling of like the coverage in the back, because that's my area where my pants kind of will go down and then my undergarments will show, or my skin will show. So I love the idea that I can tuck it in the front but then have it loose on the back and the sides. It gives me that extra coverage to make me feel comfortable. I also love that it is really stretchy here, so it will not be falling. I love that it's off the shoulder, but then it has these really puffy like sleeves. I just think it's super girly, super fun and cute for a brunch or a summer dinner date with your friends. I love the floral colors and the pink with the white stripes. It looks kind of like that Victoria's Secret pink and white striped print. And also, I do not wear strapless undergarments. People always ask if I'm wearing strapless undergarments. I don't. I just wear a bandeau top like I'm wearing now. So you could do that. I usually will only wear a strapless undergarment with a evening gown or a dress or something for a really fancy event. But for a normal day in the summer, I'll just wear a bandeau top and I'm ready to go. Okay, so this next piece is a really nice comfortable tee with this really pretty tie waist right here, and then it has this long band and it really comes down long. So as you can see, it actually passes like all the way past down my hips and my bottom. And I left the bandeau top on just again to be covered up. So right here you would get like, you know, whatever look you're going for there. And then it has some comfortable sleeves. I just thought this would be like a nice casual, easy to throw on tee when I want to look, you know, put together but still be super comfortable instead of wearing a boring plain t-shirt. And this one has good coverage. It covers your hips. It has this that distracts from your belly, but then it has this little, you know, peekaboo here. Also has sleeves. I just think this is one of those tops that most plus size girls would feel comfortable in for like a casual day and would look good with jeans, and you could dress it up or dress it. So this next piece is really, really cool. It's just this long, what do you call this? Like tulle material, like robe. And it has like these really wide sleeves and it has fur. It also came in black, but they were sold out of the black one. So I was like, let me just pick up this red one because it's really, really cute. And I thought that this would be perfect for things coming up. And yeah, it's kind of like a lingerie piece. I would say it's like a lingerie piece. I don't know if I would wear this in real life. I wish it had fur at the bottom, but I thought it was so regal and cool. And it also comes with the tie to put around your waist. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you support me. I hope you understand. I love you guys. Don't forget to stay glam, and I would really, you know, appreciate the support with a like if you liked this video, and if you loved it, please sub. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay glam. Bye.